Now we are coming to classification of material with reference to magnetization. There are three types of material, three categories of material. One is diamagnetic, other is paramagnetic, and the third is ferromagnetic. First I will take up diamagnetic. And what is diamagnetism? Diamagnetic material is that material which when exposed to magnetic field then decrease its value. This is magnetic field, it has got a value inside H, or it has got magnetic field here 100, I place it here. In this, a negative magnetism develops in the opposite direction, and that decreases the total magnetism. Again, if this magnetism is 100, it is 100, I place something which is neutral. If this is neutral, then what is magnetic field in this? Answer 100. If I place this material, the magnetic field in this is 80. Why 80? Because this has produced a opposite magnetic field in this equal to 20. Such material are known as diamagnetic material, which oppose the magnetization, which do not like magnetic field. So they always try to oppose it. And if they oppose it, then their susceptibility is negative. These are certain examples of diamagnetic material which have got susceptibility negative. Okay. Now these material have certain characteristics, and we will study those characteristics. So first we will write what is diamagnetic material. Okay. If a diamagnetic material is exposed to a magnetizing field, it develops a magnetic moment in it in opposite direction. In it matlab in material. In opposite direction, so that net magnetic field decrease. Here the magnetic field developed in this direction due to current. Okay, H is equal to Ni. Okay, then I put a diamagnetic material here. In the diamagnetic material, the magnetic field is developed in this direction. This is induced magnetic field. This is Bm, magnetic field in the material. This is B, which is equal to mu naught H. B mu naught H is in this direction, while Bm is in this direction. So what will be the net B? Net B will be B naught plus Bm, which is in opposite direction. So this is minus Bm. This. So this value will decrease inside this. So inside this, the net magnetic field is how much? B. Bm is what? The magnetization developed in the material. This is B naught by this magnetic field in this direction. So how much is the total here? How much is the net here? B naught applied by the current minus this developed in the magnetic field developed in the material which is in opposite direction. Such material is known as diamagnetic material. Okay. Now there are certain other features of diamagnetic material, like this does not like magnetic field. It is expressed by a few experiments. One of this example is, yes, here we have magnetic field. If I put a rod of this diamagnetic material and I place it in this direction, by a thread, then what I see that it automatically turns this way and goes out. Try to go out from this magnetic field. So it always stay at right angle to magnetic field, to external magnetic field, because this does not like magnetic field and it wants minimum exposure to the magnetic field. Okay, other thing, if there is a magnetic field here and I am putting a diamagnetic material here, what will happen? Answer is, this is diamagnetic material and these four, these will be like this. This. It will not allow magnetic field to pass through it because this is diamagnetic. So, such material is known as diamagnetic. See once again. We have two magnets here, north, south. They are very close to each other, and here we have a magnetic field, and that magnetic field, because of these two, is like this. Here it is, magnetic field is dense, and here it is rare. Because of this pole and this pole both join here, here it becomes denser, magnetic field is stronger, and here it is rarer. If I increase the distance, like this, north and south, then this will go like this, and for this, here it is rarer and at the corners it is denser. Magnetic field because of these two. Okay, now what do we do? I put a diamagnetic material here and I put the same diamagnetic material here in the form of powder, and then I tap it. When I tap, the powder here, diamagnetic material, makes a bundle like this. It is denser here. Wherever it is denser, this material will be less, and where it is rarer, here magnetic field is weak compared to this point. Here magnetic field is 50, here it is 50, here it is 75. So at place of 75 it will not like to come, at the place of 50 it has to come, because 50 is less than 75. So this happens when they are very close to each other, very close. But if we take them away, then magnetic field are like this, and this becomes rarer, and these corners, now again these are 50, 50, but this has become 40. Now what we find, that the same material, when we tap it here, this material gather like this way. So what does it mean? That dielectric material would like to remain at the place where magnetic field is weaker compared to the place where it is stronger. This is another example. See another beautiful example. We have a U-tube. In the U-tube we put mercury. Normally when we put mercury, it will come to the same level. Okay. Now here I put magnet. So this end exposed to magnetic field. When this is exposed to magnetic field, this mercury do not like to remain in this magnetic field. Now so much mercury is exposed to magnetic field. It tries to run away from it. Where to run away? In this direction. So what we find that this goes to this level and this rise up to this level. So here mercury has gone down, here mercury has gone up. This was the earlier level. Why it has happened? Because mercury is a dielectric material. It does not like exposure to the magnetic field. It wants to run away from the magnetic field. It decreases, it is for decreasing magnetic field, it wants to go outside. So it wants to come down. Therefore it goes up in this direction and we find this level difference. And this level difference is due to its nature of dimagnetism. So this is what happens. So these are examples of diamagnetic material. So the other type of material, paramagnetic, we will do in the next lecture.